Good morning. Welcome to Share Market Mike. Thank you for your time. Welspun India has provided an update on their buyback. They have released the letter of offer for the buyback. We will quickly see the details from the letter of offer. Before proceeding any further, if you find our videos useful, kindly support us by hitting the like, subscribe and share button. A quick background on the Welspun India's buyback offer. The company offered to buy back approximately 1.66 crore shares. This constitutes to 1.66% of the overall equity shares. The record date was May 26, 2021. It is through tender offer that the company is buying back the shares at a price of rupees 120 per share. What is buyback, what is tender offer, what is open offer route? We have discussed all these in another video. The link of that video is in the description of this video. Kindly watch it. The buyback is at a premium of 25% compared to the Friday's closing price of this share. The Friday's closing price of this share was 96 rupees per share. The buyback opens on June 22nd and closes on July 5th. Is it mandatory for all the shareholders to participate in this buyback? The answer is no, it is voluntary. It is a prerogative of the shareholders whether he or she wants to participate in this buyback. Let's quickly see the buyback ratio for this buyback. Under the reserved category, 43 equity shares will be bought back if we had 469 equity shares as on record date, and in the general category, 1 equity share will be bought back if we have 69 equity shares as on record date. How would we know whether we fall under the reserved category or under the general category? Reserved category is for the small shareholders. We have discussed all these in the another video that we talked about earlier, the buyback video. The video's link is in this video's description. Kindly watch it. As on the record date, NSE had the highest volume for Welspun India. So the company has decided that whoever is holding 2,149 shares or lesser will fall under the reserved category. Finally, we will see how we can apply for this buyback through Zerodha. Zerodha's website console.zerodha.com is the place where we can tender our shares. So once we log in into this website, we will have something called the portfolio link. When we click on the portfolio link, we can see something called the corporate actions. Once we click the corporate actions, all the stocks that are going through the buybacks are listed over there. So this company's name, Welspun India, will also get listed over there, and once you click that, you can make the tender offers. Once the tender offer or the buyback procedure is complete, the payment is made directly into your bank account, and it doesn't come into your trading account. It directly goes into your bank account. With this, we have come to the end of the video. If you have any questions, please do post in the comment section. I will try to answer them. If you find our videos helpful, kindly support us by hitting the like, subscribe and share button. Thank you.